Okay guys, good morning. This is the Chang'an CX 85. Okay, so do you have something problem for this one? So engine is down because of overheat. Okay. If you don't if you don't check your water every day, and running and nothing to be checked, this is happen to your engine. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, this is the head of this engine, Chang'an. Okay, you see this one? Hello. Hello. Okay, it's already damaged. Okay, so a small problem, it's a big problem, right? Okay, see you. You must be check your car before you running. Thank you.